So everyone's going on about 8K, 4K, all this business right now. And I was thinking, does it really make that much of a difference? Let's see if you can tell. Okay, that was shot on my Galaxy S20 on Pro mode, kept all the settings the same, but there was a huge difference between 8K and 4K, and in any other comparison that I've seen, there is not that much of a difference. So that got me thinking, is all 8K and all 4K that much different, and it's just people color grade it afterwards to try and catch you out? Or is it that not all 4K, not all 8K, and not all 1080p, all recordings of any sort are made equal? Let's check this out. Wow. So what was your favourite? Now for me it was the 1080p, which I have to admit was shot on my M50, but that was really to prove a point. The point is that resolution does not equal clarity, and this is the same in photography. It doesn't really matter how many megapixels you've got if you've got a really bad lens that everything's coming through, because otherwise you're just going to have a really big image that just isn't very good. So that was my point. It doesn't really matter about the resolution, it matters more about the lens, and then afterwards the sensor, and then afterwards the resolution. Now I hope that's been really helpful, and if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. It really helps with me pushing forward, and also for me being able to create new content. All that's left to say, keep learning.